We have another bathroom sink that is extremely slow draining. This one is only a few years old, but it is in our kids' bathroom, and really the only thing that goes down here is toothpaste. So I suspect the slow drain is caused because of toothpaste buildup down in the trap, but we're gonna check it out here. So we'll turn the faucet on, let it run for a few seconds. You can see it's starting to fill up already. So we will try to fix this. So first place I want to start here is down underneath the sink. We have the trap. Should just be able to unscrew these by hand. And I do have a bucket handy. You'll want to place a towel underneath, because all that water that might be built up in this is going to come out of here. So we'll let that continue to drain out for just a minute. Trap itself, some gunk came out of it, but it's relatively clean at this point in time. I think just opening this up and airing it out might really help. I'm going to also take this snake that I have here and stick it down. Maybe I'll go up the drain here. Instead of taking the stopper off up top. Oh yeah, there we go. Get some stuff out of it this way. These you just want to tighten as tight as you can by hand. So we got the trap back on. We're in the water for a little bit. And we still have a clog. So what I'm going to try to do now, knowing that the trap is clear, is remove this stopper and see if there's gunk on the stopper itself. And this one doesn't have a connection underneath to remove the stopper, so I think what I have to do is twist it. Yeah, this one's just an unscrew stopper. Oh yeah, I can feel just right in here, I can feel all sorts of toothpaste buildup, gunk. This is definitely where the issue is. So even with a sink that's just I don't know, 2-3 years old, when you have young kids not fully emptying out or using toothpaste, you can get this type of an issue. Before I go down from underneath again, maybe I can just take a screwdriver. Oh, there it goes. So with that done, you just screw the stopper back in. like the day it was installed.